Okay, good morning. This is Rich Dad reporting live from the London session. It has just begun, and I am going to go over the alligator technique. A lot of you guys, as in you guys in my group, the Wolf Gang, have been asking me to give a tutorial on the alligator, and I've been meaning to for the past week or two, so this is it. And as you guys can see, this is the only indicator that I have up on my screen now. Now, disclaimer, this is not the strategy that I use on a regular basis. I do use it to scalp. It is a very, very, very good trend indicator. And that's what it's for. It's for trading in a trend and spotting a trend. Okay? So, we are going to first go over these lines here. You got the green line, the pink line, and the blue line. Reason why it's called alligator is because the blue line here, it's the jaw, okay? The pink line is the teeth, and the green line is considered the lips, okay? So our teeth and our jaw, the blue and pink line, they signal they signal the strength of the trend. And our green line, the lips, tell us exactly when to execute. So when our lips, let's see, this is a good example right here. If you're following my cursor, the lips cross below our teeth and then below our jaw. That means to sell, okay? You see when that happened? We had a strong downtrend. Price went from 10,000, around 10,950 to 10,750. So that was a good trend, okay? So if you would have caught those teeth crossing there, you would have been able to make a lot of money here, even on a 0.01 lot, okay? Let's find an uptrend. It's the same thing for going long. I just gave you guys an example of going short. When the lips cross below the teeth in the jaw, you're supposed to sell. And when the lips cross above the teeth in the jaw, you're supposed to buy. I want to take the time to try to find a good long position. Oh, and here we have one. I just went to the, press that. I went to the 4-hour chart and went back to about April 6th, just to show you guys an example of a good long position. So you can see here, let's try to zoom in. You can see here, our lips, the green line, crossed above our jaw and our teeth. You see how it's above? That means for us to buy, okay? It crossed here at about 9,700, and trend remained strong for about another $1,000, okay? So another thing I want you guys to know is that when the lips, the jaw, and the teeth are green, pink, and blue lines, and keep in mind I have these set to the default setting, so I didn't change the colors. So when the lines are parallel but in the same direction, it signals a strong trend. When the lines are touching, it means it's ranging and it's not a good time to buy or sell. So you guys can see it looked like price was ranging for about 3 to 5 days here. Okay. You see how the lines were touching? They never separated. It wasn't a good time to buy or sell. Then you guys could see our teeth cross. The lines are separated. They're parallel, moving in the same direction. It's not a bad time to buy. And that's basically what the alligator is about. Let's see if we can get just another example. Now, I just brought you guys to the 15-minute time frame. I probably should have started here because I should have opened with this is the best time frame to use the alligator on. Okay. However, it is very, very relevant to check the trend on the 30-minute, 1 hour, and 5 minute time frames as well. And of course, we don't execute until we fully confirmed everything on the 1 minute time frame. So, when I'm looking to use the alligator to scalp a specific index or pair, I'm always on the 15-minute time frame. All right. And let's just go to current market price. Okay. And as you guys could see, it's not the strongest trend here, but if we had to choose, we would definitely be going short because all of our lines are headed downward. Okay, they're not touching, and our lips, the green line, is below our teeth and our jaws. All right, and that's why it's called the alligator. And again, guys, I have these. I left these at the default setting. So I'm on TradingView. The settings should be the same on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well. The jaw, the blue line, is automatically set at 13. The teeth, the pink line, automatically at 8, and the lips are at 5. Keep those set at default and you should be fine. And that's the alligator. But anybody who knows me know that I always, no matter what technique I'm using, trade with this 200 EMA. All right. See my other videos to know exactly why I trade with that. And I do not execute a trade, whether long or short, without final confirmation from my SAR dots, stop and reversal, those orange dots there. So even if I were looking to execute a trade with the if I were looking to execute a trade using the alligator technique, this is what my true chart would look like. I still never trade just with the alligator. I always have my 200 EMA, my RSI, even though this is my a stochastic RSI. I always have this down here, my 200 EMA, and my SAR dots, no matter what. So if I was looking to execute right now, this would be a great time to go long, and I'm probably about to call this for the group because as you guys can see in the 1 minute time frame, price is below our 200 EMA. Our SAR dots are above price, signifying a downtrend, and our lips just cross. However, price appears to be oversold because our RSI stochastic is in oversold conditions. So I may sell now or wait for a better position, because if I know, like I think I do, we'll just see a slight retracement for about 5 or 10 minutes or so. So that's the alligator technique. I hope you guys were able to gain from this. And again, this is a trend indicator. All right. This indicator is useless to you if the market is ranging, as you guys could see here. That was about an hour ago. It was ranging. It was not a good time to buy or sell up until around here. As you can see, the teeth cross. Our star dots are above price, and our 200 EMA is also above candlesticks. So that's the alligator indicator, and this was Rich Dad. Until the next time, stay tuned.